Morning everyone, John from Popeyes Postcards. We're going to do our daily what sold video. These are the postcards that sold on eBay and hit postcards on February 21st, 2022. As you can see on the screen, a little slower day than normal. $153 on 15 orders, and I had 2 sales on HIP for a combined total of $32.98. So we're at 17 orders for $186 on the day. So not horrible, could always be better. Let's go ahead and get started. First is St. Petersburg, Florida, Tyrone Square Shopping Mall interior, circa 1960s. I will always pick up mall interiors and exteriors. A lot of these places are dying off, so I buy them. I don't know where I got this or how much I paid, but I got $10.99 out of this card. Next, another St. Petersburg, Florida, Al Lang Field Baseball Spring Training, circa 1950s. Sometimes it'll say which team practices at this field for spring training. It might be the Red Sox. I can't quite remember. But if it says, I would have put that in the title. This one sold for $12.99. Sold a dental book. This is Table Talks on Dentistry by this guy. And I've mentioned many times about the dental book buyout that I did. I'm actually starting to liquidate the remaining dental books to make room for all the aviation cards. So it's about time that I need to pass on this deal to others. There's still a lot of meat left on the bone with these dental books. So check my auctions for more dental books in the future. Anyway, this one sold for $14.99. This is Block Island, Rhode Island, Fishing Fleet Old Harbor, selling boats, circa 1920s. Yeah, Rhode Island's been kind of hot for me. Sold more Rhode Island cards in the last week or so than I have in the last 2 months. So maybe there's something going on with Rhode Island. I don't know. But this sold for $8.49. Most likely got it in the Rhode Island postcard buyout that I talked about in yesterday's video. $8.49. Yeah, I'm not even gonna try. This is that lake in Massachusetts. This is the real name. This whatever longest town name in the world, or maybe in the United States, but they call it Webster Lake. That's just ridiculous. Anyway, sold for $9.74. This is Gardner, Massachusetts, the Colonial Hotel. This has been up for quite a while. The card looks like it's trimmed, and I think that's just a function of how this postcard was set on the backdrop when I was taking the picture. It is not trimmed. I pulled it out of the box today and mailed it, and it is in perfect condition. So $6.99 for that card. Been up for probably 8+ years. Waynesboro, Virginia, Fishburne Military School, vintage linen. Took a best offer of $4 on this card. And I've heard people say, oh, you're showing the address. This is from, 70, 60 plus 5 years ago. There's very little chance that this person is still living at that address or even still alive. Neat that it's going to the Boat Showcase, The Price is Right from 1957. I'm not sure. I did not work that into the title. Sometimes I'll work that into the title. But $4 best offer on that card. This is Pocatello, Idaho. Bird's Eye View, University of Idaho, Southern Branch. There's that. 1936. and took a best offer of $4. Another Rhode Island card. This is Newport, Rhode Island. Jamestown car ferry arriving circa 1950s. Looks like I had two of these. And that sold for $5 best offer. 2 months after Christmas, Santas are still selling because they sell all year round. This is Merry Christmas, Old World Santa Claus, embossed, gold gilt, 1908. And I took a best offer of $16. Patriotic, George Washington on horseback. Since yesterday was the celebration of his birthday. $9.80 for that card, and another one went to the same buyer. George Washington on horse, tomb, Mount Vernon, and it also sold for $9.80. This is Atlanta, Georgia, aerial view, the Auto Speedway racetrack. There's that, and sold for $5.99. This is Denver, Colorado, Fitzsimmons General Hospital, gate, real photo. I can't remember where I got this, but it brought in $7.50. This is Portsmouth, New Hampshire, Congress Street near Market Square, 1909. Detroit Publishing, their cards are just incredible with the clarity and the colors. And not bad for 1909. The Detroit Publishing cards are always desirable. $6.99 for that card. This is dressed Roosevelt bear being chased, female bear with broom, 1908. There's that, and sold for $5.99. 2 cards on hip. This is Miami, Florida, 40-passenger clipper ship, Pan American Terminal, 1936. Nice card. Sold for $19.99. And the other hip sell, McDeal Field, Tampa, Florida, loading bombs on Flying Fortress, 1942. MacDeal. I wonder if that was supposed to be separated. Don't know. This sold for $12.98. What's that message again? This is a picture of the old B-17E Flying Fortress, Charles. Okay. So there we go. Again, not too bad of a day of sales. Could always be better. Just to let you know about the postcard auctions, I did a trial run yesterday on Jackass Retro's channel. He was very nice to let me kind of monopolize the end of his show, and did 2 auctions. Very pleased with the results. So thank you to Steve and Brian for the purchases. It was a trial run to see if I can handle this myself. So hopefully, no promises, but hopefully within the next 2 weeks to a month, I will schedule something. I just got to schedule it, so I have to do it, and I'll do probably several lots. It takes so long to go through a lot of 400 cards. It's usually about a half hour, 45 minutes is what I would guesstimate. So, but they are coming. I know. I promise they are coming. So okay, that's it. I thank you for all for watching. Hope your day is full of great eBay sales.